Hi, I'm Lloyd, Service Manager for VIP at Lewiston, Lisbon Street location. So I've worked 15 years in automotive service. VIP is different from our competitors. It comes down to quality and standards. Certified automotive professionals means to me it's definitely raising the standards for our customers' needs. You know, vehicles are changing and getting more sophisticated, and we need to meet those standards, and we want to build that trust with our customers. Certified automotive professionals, what it means to VIP is to continually train and educate our employees to better meet the demands of the technology and today's performance on vehicles. They will definitely pay for all ASE training. We show our customers that we're different from our competitors by the way we greet and we communicate with our customers. If we find issues, we bring the customers out to the vehicle. We not only show them what's going on, but we explain the situation and why the part needs to be changed. We want to go above and beyond the expectation of our customers. Earning an automotive customer for life, what it means to me or it means to VIP, is really gaining their trust, show them the needs of the vehicle and the importance of safety. My favorite part working for VIP is interacting with the customers, making sure that they have a safe vehicle to drive every day.